The next question, solve x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3 by elimination method. We can solve these two equations, two linear equations by the elimination method. Okay, so the coefficients of that variables are to be rational numbers, to be changed as integer to simplify it very easily. Okay, so given x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1, so to change as the coefficient to the integers, find the LCM of those values, denominators 2 and 3. The LCM of the denominator is to be 6. Then 2 3s are 6, 3x plus 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4y. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 1. So that 6 is to be transposed to that side to be changed as a 6 into minus 1, means it is to minus 6. So 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. It is the first equation. Now the second equation, what is given in the second equation in the question, x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Your y coefficient is to be rational. To be changed as an integer, find the LCMs of the denominators first. So the denominator is to be 1 here, here 3. The LCM of those two values is to be 3. Then, so to change as a 3 into x, 3x minus y as it is, y because denominator both are to be same, then that is equal to 3. Then 3x minus y, the denominator should transpose to that side, then automatically to be changed as a product. 3 3s are 9. 3x minus y is equal to 9. Is the first equation, it's the second equation. So okay, the process is to be elimination method. So in that elimination method, we can eliminate one of the variable in the given two equations. Here we can eliminate the, first of all, whenever we can eliminate that variable, must and should, we can observe the coefficients of the variable. Already I said in the previous classes. Okay, here x coefficient is to be 3, x coefficient is also to be 3, both are to be same, then automatically those are to be subtracted from one another. The second equation is to be subtracted from the first equation. If the second equation is to be subtracted, whatever the equation is to be subtracted, then automatically the sign of the terms are to be changed. Okay, so it is a plus 3 to be changed as a minus, it is a minus to be changed as a plus, it is a plus to be changed as a minus. Plus 3x minus 3x cancel, plus 4y plus y, now it is a plus y, 5y is equal to minus 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 15. Y is equal to minus 15 by 5, 5 ones are 5 3s are, then y is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 3. That minus 3 is substitute either first equation or second equation. Here we are eliminating the x variable, then we got only y. Okay, y is equal to minus 3, substitute or put in the first equation. The first equation is to be 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. The first equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 3x plus 4 into y value is minus 3, that is equal to minus 6. That is equal to minus 6. 3x plus 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. 4 plus 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. 3x minus 12 is equal to minus 6. 3x is equal to minus 6. Minus 12 is transposed to that side to be changed as a plus 12. Now minus 6 plus 12 is 6. 3x is equal to 6. Then x is equal to 6 by 3. X is equal to 2. So the value x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. That is the solution in that question. Therefore the solution x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. Okay, coming to the next question. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago, not the present. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. How much the age of Sonu is multiplied with 3, the result is equal to the Noori's age. That is a condition here. And one more condition here. 10 years later, the first condition is 5 years ago. The second condition is 10 years later. Both are not the present ages. Okay. So 10 years later, meaning of the thing, after 10 years, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Okay. Noori is twice, means double to compare the Sonu age. The first condition 5 years ago, Noori age was so thrice, 3 times as old as Sonu. But 10 years later, Noori age will be twice as old as Sonu. Okay, here it is double, there it is to be triple. Okay, Then how old are Noori and Sonu at present? Okay, how old are Noori and Sonu at present? That is a question here. Okay, the both conditions are to be mentioned. One is 5 years ago and one more thing is a 10 years after. But we can find what is the age of Noori and what is the age of Sonu at present. Okay, so now we can assume that let Sonu's age is equal to x at now, means it is to be let present Sonu's age is equal to x, Noori's age is equal to y. Sonu age is x, Noori age is y. Okay, so the first condition, according to the condition 5 years ago, for example, a person at present, a person age is 30 years. 5 years ago, what is the age of the person? 25. Okay, at present 30, then 5 years ago that is to be 25. Why? Because 5 is to be subtracted from that. The same condition, general condition, 5 years ago Sonu's age is x minus 5. How can you say that? We can assume that the Sonu present age is x. 5 years ago Sonu's age is x minus 5. The same procedure. At present to Noori's age is y. Then at 5 years back Noori's age is y minus 5. Okay, according to the problem, means according to the condition what they said, Noori's age is equal to thrice of the Sonu's age. Noori's age is equal to thrice of Sonu's age. Means 3 times of Sonu age is equal to Noori's age. What is the Noori's age? Y minus 5. When? 5 hours ago they mentioned that. 5 hours ago this is the Noori's age. 5 minus y minus 5, that is equal to thrice, means into 3. 3 into Sonu's age, x minus 5. Okay, so Noori's age is equal to thrice of the Sonu's age. This is a mathematical statement according to the given condition. Okay, so now y minus 5 is equal to 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 5, minus 15. All the values are to be transposed to that side, then the 0 is the balance here. 3x plus 5 to be changed as a minus y, minus 15, minus 5 to be changed as a plus 5. So minus 15 plus 5 is to be minus 10 only. 3x minus y minus 10. So now the minus 10 is to be transposed to that side, plus 10. Then the balance is here 3x minus y is equal to 10. But I say as the total equation LHS and RHS, whatever it is, no problem. Okay, so this is to be changed as minus 10, to be changed as a plus 10. Now the LHS, RHS both are to be interchanging the position. No need to change their signs. Okay, clear? So now it is to be plus 10 is equal to 3x minus y. So in the next step, I changed both the terms. LHS and RHS are to be interchanged their positions. No need to change their signs. Clear? So 3x minus y, total term is to be transposed to this side. 10 is to be transposed to this side. Then no, don't change the signs of that terms. Okay, now it is the first equation. Okay, coming to the second condition. What is the second? Okay, after 10 years we can observe that after 10 years is at present age of Sonu is x, Noori's age is y. So Sonu says after 10 years x plus 10. Why? Because 10 years to be added from the present years after 10 years. Noori's age is y plus 10. According to the condition, Noori's age is equal to twice of the Sonu's age. Noori's age is equal to y plus 10 is equal to twice, means 2 into, okay, Sonu's age, 2 into x plus 10, y plus 10, that is equal to 2 into x is equal to 2x plus 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So that constant values are to be transposed to one side. 10 same position, plus 20 to be transposed to the side, minus 20. Then 2x plus y to be changed as a minus y. Okay, 2x minus y is equal to minus 10. Here also we can change the total equation. 2x minus y come to this side, minus 10 to be transposed to the side. No need to change the signs. Then that is the second equation. It's the first equation. It's the second equation. What is the first equation? 3x minus y is equal to 10. The second equation is 2x minus y is equal to minus 10. So here we are using the elimination method. In the elimination method, one of the variables should be eliminated. Okay, if the coefficients are to be either equal or additive inverses. Here we can observe the x coefficients. It is 3, it is 2. Both are not same, not to be additive inverses. Okay, we can't eliminate this at now. Okay, then coming to that y coefficients, it is minus 1, it is also to be minus 1. Both are same. Then automatically we can eliminate those values by adding the two equations. If those are to be same, you can add those. If those are to be additive inverses, what is the meaning of additive inverses? Plus 2 is there, then one more is there, minus 2. Plus 7 is there for one variable. The similar variable coefficient is to be minus 7, like that. One is plus, one is minus. Okay, it is minus 1, minus 1. Both are same, then automatically you can add those, you can subtract those two equations. Okay, then first equation 3x minus y is equal to 10. Second equation 2x minus y is equal to minus 10. Both are same here, so you can subtract it. So whenever you can subtract, then automatically change the sign of the second equation each and every time. It is a plus, change as a minus. It is minus, change as a plus. It is minus, change as a plus. Minus y plus y cancel. It is eliminated. Y variable is to be eliminated from here. 3x minus 2x is x, that is equal to 10. Now it is plus 10. X is equal to 20. Now x is equal to 20. That x is equal to 20 is put in the first equation. X is equal to 20, put in the first equation. What's the first equation here? 3x minus y is equal to 10. 3 into 20, that is equal to, that minus y is equal to 10. 3 20 is 60 minus y is equal to 10. 60 minus 10 is equal to y. Why? Because those are to be interchange the positions. Plus 10 minus 10 minus y plus y. Then y is equal to 50. X is equal to 20. Y is equal to 50. What is the x in the problem? That is the Nouri's age, Sonu's age is 10 to x. That means it is to be 20. Nouri's age is to be y. That means it is to be 50. Okay. So then, therefore, Sonu's age is 20. Nouri's age is 50. So we'll check it. 5 years ago, Sonu's age is 15. Nouri's age is 45. It is 15. It is 45. Then already they said it is 15, 45. How many times it is to be? 3 times. 15 3 is a 45. 15 3 is a 45. So already they said Nouri's age after 5 years, Nouri's age, 5 years ago, Nouri's age is 3 times of the Sonu's age. Yes, it is tallied. 15, 45. 10 years after means it is 30, it is 60. 30, 60. How many times? Double means twice only. Twice only. So the answers are to be satisfied. Sonu's age is 20, Nouri's age is 50. Okay.